Okay, welcome back. On this video, I'm going to describe how to install this particular doorknob that goes for this particular door. It's a pretty unique doorknob. It's gold and it's a pretty unique function. Okay, I'm going to put this one back in, and essentially we have all the tools here. Now we'll go over that in a second, but this doorknob is specifically designed to have, it's a quarter turn, and it turns just like that. And as you can tell, has one turn. So this particular doorknob goes on this side, the other one will go on this side to basically open the door correctly. Now, put this back. Let's go over the tools right quick. The tools. We're gonna need various drill bits. We're gonna need basically a tape measure with a magnet or a magnet, because we're going to remove this little plate here, because this is already removed. Put that back, but that's how you just remove this plate. Ultimately, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this, but first we need to go ahead and pre-drill some starter holes to get that going. We're going to remove this hardware to drill all the way through to make sure we get everything lined up. What you're going to need is you're going to need a couple, either two or one drill that you're going to need a Phillips head. Then you're also going to need some drill bits. The way I like to gauge drill bits, if you don't know, just you have a hose set. Your first one's going to be able to fit inside that hole, so we're going to do that with a starter. The next one is going to be the diameter of that hole opening, so this will go in like that. You're also going to need one of these, because you're going to take this and you're going to break off a piece of your screw here that attaches both parts with this. I'll show you how to break that apart here shortly. So right now what we're going to do is I've taken this piece of gauge. It's a gauge, it's paper gauge, and you want to go ahead and install this grooved basically the latch. I'll take this off and show you what that looks like. This is a grooved, has the grooves here and there, and it also has little bevels. You want to make sure you mount that up like that. You slide that in the door and make sure they're evenly on both sides. The grooves are evenly on both sides. Then we're going to go put the paper gauges back on. And we're going to go ahead and start drilling. Again, we don't want to go all the way through, because we're going to get that hardware. All right, got that started. So we're going to remove this. Clean these off. Go ahead and remove that. Put that to the side. We're going to get our Phillips head. Okay. Take that hardware out. See, if you drill through there, and if you drill through or the screws go all the way through, this mechanism will not work properly. So put that to the side. Now what we're going to do is we're going to drill the holes for this thing that goes right there. Since we've already pre-drilled this, we're going to go ahead and take the bigger bit that covers the circumference of these two pieces. that, so these two pieces can fit inside so we can put that thing together. So let's get another drill bit. That's about right, fits inside that little hole right there to where we'll be able to drill the circumference for this particular. Same thing on that side. Now, we're gonna grab these deals, and there's a tab on it. You want the tab to go down. Let's see, I gotta clean it out a little bit more because the bit we selected was just a little bit too tight. So then what I'll do is I'll grab a bigger drill bit. I make the hole a little bit bigger. There, fits nice and snug. See, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. This tab goes down. There we go. Now we're gonna go ahead and mount once we have these things placed, we're gonna go ahead and mount hardware right back in where it belongs. Take our Phillips. Again, you don't have to press on the drill, let it go full speed. Just nice little taps. So it just securely locks that in. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this screw, and that screw is gonna go to the other side. Like so. Now, this screw is too big. I'm gonna go ahead and install it or mount it and show you that it's too big. So then just show you how to break it. See, it's too big. So a good gauge would be by taking it here and looking, and typically it's about 2. So it's 2 of these. So we're gonna take our pliers like so, and just break it off. Now, when you start moving it, careful, hold on to this and just keep working it till it breaks, because you don't want to bend the whole screw and then you're gonna have a problem. Now we're gonna put the second screw in. That locks that. It locks in. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this thing and we're going to put that back in. The grooves are now going to go on the bottom, and the reason why now this little tab fell off here. It stayed here, so it's okay if it falls off. It is just your guide. But you want to make sure that this is in about 50% of the way. And the reason why, in the beginning, I told you to have your groove facing up, just so y'all will know how to gauge it. But then this is installed this way because it locks itself onto that. This will take off once we have it all kind of secured. This comes off like so. Put that to the side, and then we go ahead and mount that. Make sure it goes over that, and then there's a screw back that bump here on the bottom that we're going to go ahead and loosen up. Don't lose it. So that'll ultimately go on there like that. I'm going to take the second screw off. And I'm going to mount this side. And you just basically snug them together and they'll come together. Before we install this, we'll put this to the side. And we get a little package of screws, just like so. What we'll do with that is, well, first of all, let's get this, we'll pull this thing out, and then we'll go ahead and pull our guide out on the other side. We'll slip that back in, groove side down, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and finish mounting this thing properly by installing screws here like so. And the same thing to the other side. That's it. So now what we do, we go ahead. Not this one. See, it snugly fits right there onto that. And then we're going to take this one so now it's fully operational. So we're going to take the final Allen wrench and go under here and just make sure you don't cross thread it. Be careful, because if you try to go all the way around, it's going to scratch your door. Like so. And we clean that off. And now we'll do the same thing here. Now, we're going to move all this stuff back. We're going to check to make sure this door is operational. Oh. Put our little plate back. And if you need to adjust this, if you need to, remember you pull this, twist it in the other video, and it will reverse this door basically. So, just like that. And this thing is designed to do just like that. It's just a half turn. We're done. Thank you for watching.